We must be on a bushwalk. This must be a bushwalk track. We've followed that onto a bushwalk track. Where is the Here comes the now. Pick up. You idiot. You what a head. He's taking us on a bush walking track. No risking. I'll never follow that mad Mal ever again.
G'day everyone, Artist Wayne Dowsett here. Sorry about the start of this video, but my therapist said I really needed to get that off my chest in order to move forward. You see, at times it's not easy to follow someone who's completely mad. Someone like Mad Mal, who's missing that one final screw, who's knitting with only one needle, one card short of a full deck, one wave short of a shipwreck.
Go past him. Go on the left.
And when he's leading a ride, I'll be honest with you, he doesn't have a clue. And if we're not careful, we're all going to be infected by his madness.
What are you doing, mate? Stop holding everyone up.
Which is why I was seeking help from a therapist. But don't worry, boys and girls, Artist Wayne is here to save this ride. And although we wasted more than half the day, I would take over and salvage this ride and turn it into something special. But first, let's just recap what actually transpired on this beautiful but very chilly Friday morning. Adrian, the pin-up boy from Amarok, Australia, Anthony the Dingus and I followed Mad Mal on a trail that somehow dropped down onto a walking track. And after expending so much energy getting all of the bikes out of there with no help from Mad Mal, we finally arrive here as we make our way on a more sane trail to Jerry's Cafe for a late lunch. And after what I can tell you was a well-earned lunch at Jerry's Cafe, just check out the trails that I then took the boys on. Just look at the difference. Lovely flowing trails, fresh air, beautiful creek crossings, sunlight penetrating the forest floor.
Park that there!
What are you going to do, idiot?
Well, I mean, we could try and climb out.
Or not.
No?
I doubt it.
Well, who's up for trying to climb out?